This is my best dust mask that I use at work. I've been asked quite often which dust mask I use. Well, I use this one. This one is super useful. I'll leave a link where you can order it. The advantage is you can easily replace the filters. Plus, I like the mask. It's nice and compact, and the rubber is really soft, so it doesn't clamp and isn't sharp, so you can wear it all day long. You can put different filters on it. What I have is a nano filter. This one keeps the smallest dust particles out, also the moist dust particles. It's not suitable for gas. If you work with harmful gases, you really have to use a different mask or a different filter. And how do you put it on? Actually, it's pretty simple. You first need to remove the plastic. By the way, another advantage is that you can wash it very easily. So if you unscrew the filter, you can just wash it under the tap and it's clean again. Be careful with the rubber, it nearly fell off. The rubber needs to stay on well. Then you just screw it on. Tighten it firmly. And that's it. Look at it. What's really handy is when you wear it, it's completely sealed. Your breath, your gases don't escape through the top, avoiding fogging up your safety goggles. I find this really useful. There are some masks where gases escape from the side, causing your goggles to completely fog up. You constantly have to adjust your glasses, and at some point you get annoyed. Either you get rid of the glasses or you get rid of the mask. That's the last thing you want to do. Look, it fits on well. Look, this one can go on just like that. And I always use, or at least like to use, large ear protectors, so I always insert these small ear protectors. Well, I hope you've learned something. Did you like this video? Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.